Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to tell you some of the negative keywords best practices. My name is Ajay Dhunna. I've been doing digital marketing for the best part of 20 years now, so I've got a wealth of experience to offer you. So what I'm going to tell you is going to be absolutely valuable to you. But before I do carry on, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications button, and when I do create new content, you'll be the first to be notified. So my tip number one is review your search terms on a regular basis. Not just your keywords, review your search terms on a regular basis and keep looking out for keywords or search terms that may not be relevant and adding them in as negatives. Tip number two, organize your negative keywords in a very structured manner. So the way to organize them is that you can put negative keywords at various levels. So you can put negative keywords at ad group level, you can put negative keywords at campaign level, but also you can put negative keywords at shared library level. Yeah. So shared library is that, hey, if you've got some keywords which are going to be applicable to every single campaign that you're going to create, then what you can do is that rather than specifying them in every single campaign, you can just add the name of your shared library to that campaign, and those negative keywords will then be applied to your actual campaign itself. Tip number three is when you create shared libraries, shared negative libraries, or negative shared libraries, whichever way it's called nowadays, categorize them. Don't just create one generic list. So for example, what I typically do is I create various negative keyword groups, right? So I might have one for generic keywords, okay? And usually they're like similar, like for example, they're jobs, vacancies, opportunities, tutorials, and so on, okay? And then I might have another one for, say, competitors. And within that competitors negative shared list, I'll put all the competitors that we want to avoid attracting clicks from. For example, you might want to avoid attracting clicks for people who are looking at Amazon or eBay or any other a brand that might be relevant to your products or services. I might have location negatives. So if there are some locations that you do not wish to serve or your company doesn't actually cater for, put them into your negatives, into your shared libraries, right? So then when you are creating campaigns, right, your campaigns are a lot more focused as opposed to wasting clicks on keywords or locations that will never convert. Sorry, it is a little bit noisy here up in London, but do bear with me for a small while more, yeah? Another thing is use the Google Keyword Planner tool to proactively work out what your negative keywords should be. So don't just wait to run your campaigns and let it run a while and then look at them and see what negative keywords are. By using the keyword planner, you can proactively work out what common keywords people are using to search for your products or services. So then what happens is that you'll get your campaign off to a good start right from day one, as opposed to waiting for a period of time and then being reactive. So you're actually being more proactive as opposed to reactive. Another tip is when creating negative keywords, use match types. Yeah, so you don't have to just leave them as broad. You can use various match types like phrase match within your negative keywords. Lastly, when thinking about negative keywords, think about it quite laterally. So there may be keywords that could be negative in one campaign, but you may not necessarily need them in another campaign. Okay, so be very careful how to add negative keywords, because what you don't want to do, you don't want to stop attracting qualified traffic for your entire account, but at various campaign level. So I hope that helps. If it does, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications button, and when I do create new content, you'll be the first to be notified. And around this video somewhere there'll be a link. Please do download my Google Ads ebook. And my Google Ads ebook is full of ideas, tips, and guidance on how to create a Google Ads campaign right from day one, which is, so instead of waiting for the campaign to be successful or trialing stuff out, it gives you a really good template to actually work from to make your Google Ads campaign work correctly right from day one. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the notifications button. If you do have any comments about negative keywords, please put them in the description below. I'd love to hear from you and about what your experience about negative keywords are. Take care, guys, and hope to see you soon. Bye bye for now.